Have you ever wondered what actually happens to the body during the embalming process and why it has been used for generations in funeral care? In this video, we'll explore the science, purpose, and history behind modern embalming, including how it helps preserve the body, supports viewing services, and provides families with time to gather and say goodbye. Before we begin, please note that this presentation includes illustrated educational visuals designed to explain the embalming process in a respectful, simple, and easy-to-understand way. Because of the sensitive nature of this topic, some scenes are simplified animations rather than graphic depictions. Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program Site, your trusted source for funeral education, memorial products, and compassionate guidance when it matters most. Now let's take a closer look at the science and purpose of modern embalming care.
When a family experiences a loss, the following days are often defined by a sharp transition. A final viewing provides a window of time for friends and family to see the deceased in a restful state, which can help navigate the initial stages of grief. While many assume that preparing a body for a public viewing is a strict legal requirement, it is actually a personal choice. Embalming is a procedure designed to temporarily delay natural decomposition. If a family chooses this path, the process begins with the respectful identification of the deceased and their transfer into the clinical preparation room of the funeral home. Before any preservation happens, licensed professionals execute a rigorous sanitation phase. The body is thoroughly bathed and disinfected, establishing the hygiene protocols required for the procedures to follow. The first physical step is the setting of the facial features. The embalmer gently closes the eyes and respectfully positions the mouth to create a calm expression. By securing this baseline of cleanliness and facial composure early on, the funeral director begins the work of transforming a clinical space into an environment suitable for family closure. The process of embalming utilizes the body's own cardiovascular network as a delivery system to distribute preservative fluids. This anatomical map shows the arterial injection phase. A specialized solution enters a primary artery, traveling through the natural delivery network. Fluid pressure pushes existing blood out through a parallel vein. The new solution is a calculated mixture of water, chemical preservatives, disinfectants, and dye. Once this precise mixture reaches the tissues, the disinfectants work to reduce the bacterial activity that causes decomposition. This internal circulation results in a visible physical change, restoring a more natural and recognizable tone to the skin. By leveraging these internal pathways, professionals can halt cellular breakdown for a few days, providing the time needed for families to travel and hold a service. While arterial injection preserves the muscle tissue and skin, a secondary procedure is required to treat the core organs. To reach these internal cavities, embalmers use a specialized surgical instrument called a trocar. This cross-sectional diagram shows the trocar's function: targeted extraction of gases and fluids from the thoracic and abdominal cavities. Once cleared, the professional introduces concentrated preservative chemicals back into the torso to stabilize the internal organs. Performing these exact steps requires specialized education. They study human anatomy, master chemical preservation, and practice ethical care, ensuring the procedure is conducted correctly and respectfully. This internal treatment completes the preservation process, establishing a stable and sanitary environment for public visitation. After the internal chemistry is complete, the focus returns to external care. The body is bathed again, the hair is styled, and, if requested by the family, light cosmetics are applied. The deceased is then dressed in clothing selected by their loved ones, which helps reflect their personality and life. The goal of these final touches is to create a familiar and restful appearance that brings a degree of comfort to grieving family members. As funeral preferences evolve, many are looking at alternatives. This infographic compares the chemical inputs of traditional embalming with the organic standards of green burials, which avoid the use of formaldehyde. Regardless of the method chosen, traditional embalming is only a temporary measure. It is designed to delay, rather than permanently stop, the natural cycle of the body. Whether a family chooses clinical preservation or a natural burial, these arrangements serve a singular purpose: to provide the living with the time and space they need to begin the healing.
Thank you for watching this educational presentation on the science and purpose of modern embalming care. We hope this video helped bring greater understanding to a topic that is often misunderstood, while offering insight into the care, preparation, and traditions involved in funeral service. At the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, our goal is to provide compassionate funeral education and helpful resources to guide families through important end-of-life topics with clarity and respect. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from learning more about funeral traditions and memorial care. And if you'd like to explore funeral program templates, memorial products, or additional educational resources, click the links below. Leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you again for being here, and we'll see you in the next video.